Hello students, in previous videos we have learned how to add and subtract the given lengths, and today we will discuss some word problems based on addition and subtraction of lengths. So in Unit 2 we have discussed some keywords of addition and subtraction that are used in word problems. So do you remember the keywords of addition? Like total, there in all together, sum. So these are the keywords of addition, and there are also some keywords of subtraction, that is left, remaining, difference. And whenever we compare the two things, दो चीज़ों कंपेयर करते हैं, which one is greater, smaller, long, short, like this. So then also we subtract. So let us start the word problems. So worksheet number 4. First question is, Nitu bought 3 meter 75 centimeter of cloth for shirt. This is the length of the cloth she bought for shirt, and 2 meter 20 centimeter of cloth for trouser, and this much cloth for trouser. Now the question is, what is the total length of cloth she bought? So total length कितनी वो लेकर आई है, खरीद के लाई है cloth की, that you have to find out. So you know that here it is already underlined. Total is the keyword for addition. So total सारे मिलाकर कितना cloth वो खरीद के लाई, तो you have to add the length of two cloth. Let us solve this problem. So we are doing worksheet number 4. Question number first question is, solve the following word problems. Solve the following word problems. So A part is length of cloth bought for shirt. So length of cloth bought for shirt, that is 3 meter and 75 centimeter, and length of cloth bought for trouser, that is 2 meter and 20 centimeter. Now what you have to find out? Total length of cloth bought. Now see here, I am making the statement from the question only. I am not writing anything myself. You can see here, first of all we will write what is given. So what is given here? Length of cloth bought for shirt. Shirt के लिए खरीदा है, that is 3 meter and 75 centimeter. And second is length of cloth. What is this? 2 meter and 20 centimeter is length of cloth bought for trouser. Trouser खरीदने के लिए जो length ली है, that I have written here. And then what is asked, that I have written. So we have to find out the total length of cloth she bought. So total length of cloth she bought, you can write like this also. So I have not written anything from myself. I am just writing what is given in the question. Question में जो given है वही मैं लिख रहा हूँ. So it is not so difficult to make the statements. Try to make the statements in your own words. The only thing कि वो meaningful होने चाहिए. अब इसको short में भी आप लिख सकते हैं. So cloth for shirt, cloth for trouser, total cloth bought. So you can also write in short also. Short भी लिखेंगे then also it is correct. So what we have to do to find out the total length, what we have to do, we have to add these two lengths. So we can add them directly or we can add them separately. That is up to you. हम इनको directly भी add कर सकते हैं. Instead of writing meter and centimeter on the top, हमने ऐसे भी इनको लिख सकते हैं. Add them, centimeter here, meter here. So this is a direct question because the sum of the centimeter is less than 100. So हमें यहाँ पर carry over नहीं जाएगा. We don't have to convert it the centimeter into meter and centimeter. So directly ये question solve हो जाएगा. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So 95 centimeter and 3 plus 2 is 5 meter. So this is the answer. So directly हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं और you can add separately by writing meter and centimeter here and then add the two lengths. That is up to you. आप short भी कर सकते हैं. So what is the question? What is the total length of clothes she bought? So Neetu bought. So we have to write the answer also. So जो question पूछा है उसी का हमने आंसर करना है. So Neetu bought 5 meter 95 centimeter of cloth. So the next question, that is B part. Here is Amit traveled 15 kilometer and 550 meter by train. अमित ने 15 किलोमीटर एंड 550 मीटर ट्रेन से ट्रैवल किया. 12 किलोमीटर एंड 400 मीटर बाय बस एंड 1 किलोमीटर एंड 250 मीटर बाय स्कूटर. These are the distances traveled by Amit in different means of transport. Now how much distance did he travel in all? So here is again keyword given. So find out the keyword. Here in all is the keyword that we have discussed in second chapter. This is the keyword of addition again. So you have to find out the total distance traveled by Amit. So let us solve the question. So what is given is, so again we will make the statement from the question only. So distance traveled by train, then distance traveled by bus, and then distance traveled by scooter. First of all we will write what is given. So here distance traveled by train, bus and scooter is given. So we will write them. So distance traveled by train is 15 kilometer and 550 meters. And by bus is 12 kilometer and 400 meters. And then 1 kilometer by scooter is 1 kilometer and 250 meters. 250 meters. So what we have to do? We have to add them because we have to find the distance traveled in all. So total distance traveled. So we have to find out the total distance traveled. So we can do it directly or you can do it separately. So we have to add them. So I'm doing here directly. So here, how can we add them directly? So first of all, write meter and kilometer. Unit is very important. So here the total length 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carryover. 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12. So it is 1200 meters. So convert this 1200 meter into kilometer and meter. So it is 1200 meters. How can we convert? We have to separate the 3 digits because there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. So 3 zeros. So we have to separate last 3 digits. And this 1 will convert into kilometers. So 1 kilometer 200 meters. So we will write 200 meter and 1 kilometer here we will take carryover. Now we can add it. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 and plus 1 9 and 1 plus 1 2. So the total distance traveled by Amit is 29 kilometer and 200 meter. So in this way you can add directly. First of all, add the meters, write it separately and then convert it into kilometer and meter. So last 3 digits you have to separate and remaining digits are kilometer. So here is 1 kilometer that will go carryover. So in this way you can add, or you can add it directly, then also you will get the same answer. So here 12, so 1 carryover, so when we add it, so we will get the answer. So how much distance did he travel in all? So we have to write the answer. Amit traveled 29 kilometers. Amit traveled 29 kilometer and 200 meter in all. So in this way you can solve the word problems. Now we have done 2 parts, 3 parts are left, C, D and E. Try to solve the remaining parts of this worksheet. In next video we will discuss those parts. Thank you.